Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So we've hauled out the Fender Stratocaster Squire Standard Series. The only modifications I've done to this thing so far, other than a perfect proper setup for the floating tremolo, I put in some alnico 4 pickups that I got from Banggood in China. I think they were like 12 or 14 bucks. They're cheap. Some cover knobs, you know, to match the cream covers that came with these pickups. That's pretty much it, other than some string trees. I put roller variant string trees in. Everything else is, well, of course, strap blocks, but that has nothing to do with sound. Now, I've left the amp settings alone. I'm not altering amp settings, even though single coil guitars are lower output. A lot of them are anyways. This one certainly is. But I want to keep it fair for all the amp settings. So let's give her a spin. Let's go to that clean crunch channel. Now we're going to go over to the overdrive channel. Start at overdrive 1. Overdrive 2. Alright, so that's the Strat. The only effect I'm using is a reverb. But not bad on the Strat, actually. It's not too bad. I actually prefer my Strat a little bit better on my Hughes and Kettner tube amp, but that's the way it goes. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We have another Strat that's been severely modified, and then a Telecaster as well coming up. So stay tuned.